If this is ever hard on your wrists, you can roll up your mat and be in a little bit of less extension in your wrist. That's kind of nice. So here we go. Press up in between your shoulder blades. So stay nice and engaged there, nice and lifted. Deep neck flexors engaged. Imagine you have a wall on the outside of either hip. You're not going to let your hips shift side to side. We're going to take that left leg straight out. Opposite arm goes out, holding here. Again, stay lifted in between your shoulder blades. Belly's pulled in. Left glute squeezing. Stay real supported in that left side of your pelvis. Doesn't sink down towards the floor. Again, back of your neck nice and long. Keep that chin pulled up a little bit. Holding for 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Come down. Get nice and set in neutral again. Lift it in between your shoulder blades. Here we go. Right leg goes out. Don't let those hips shift side to side. Opposite arm goes out. Holding here. Just trying to be as still and stable as you can. Right side of your belly nice and engaged. Right glute squeezing, lifting in between those shoulder blades. Good. Back of your neck nice and long. Keep that neck or chin kind of pulling up towards the ceiling. We're thinking about those deep neck flexors. Holding for 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Sit back, come down. Sit back for just a second. Roll your wrists around.